Hello, and welcome to a short clip about an emergency dentist. When you find yourself searching for an emergency dentist near you, there are a few things that you should do. First, try to be as calm as possible. Being very anxious will amplify any pain you are having. Next, assess your needs. Are you truly having an emergency? Let's look at what defines a dental emergency. 1. Any treatment that would be required to save a tooth due to disease or trauma to the area, or any dental problem that requires treatment to stop continual tissue bleeding, or any issue that is causing severe pain, and any dental issues that point to an abscess or infection, as these can be life-threatening and need immediate attention. Once you have assessed your situation and find yourself in need of an emergency dentist, take a few steps to ease pain and make your treatment a success. Log on to our website and read our most recent article to find out more tips and guidelines to help you during a dental emergency. Just go to www.drkezian.com.